Welcome to the jungle. That was a song way back when, and it's an awesome song. But yes, guys, today we are in the jungle because we are kicking off our research unit. Now, research is so much fun. I loved teaching research when I was at my last school, but I haven't been able to do it yet at all at the school because we haven't had iPads in the media center like we do now. And so now we are able to conduct research in this space. So our research unit is going to guide you through the steps of research, the steps that you need to go through in order to complete a research project. It's also going to talk about sources that you use and how you know if you can trust a source or not, how to take the information and dissect the information that you get to give the right information on the topic. Also, how to give credit where credit is due because you don't know anything about the stuff that you're about to start researching. So you can't just write a paper or present research information and act like this all just came from your brain and your knowledge. So you have to give credit to where you got the information from. Anyway, so this board right here is our research board, and it will take you through everything that you need to know. This big tiger in the middle, he is the link to the steps of research. And inside of the steps of research, there's a lot of other information for you to find. But there are other things to click on this board besides just the tiger. All of the things that you see on this board, the animals and the flowers, are all links to different websites that have wonderful information. So I have created this board and these links to help you with your research project that you will be completing in here in media this semester. It will be animal-based because all of the websites that I have linked are animal-based. And so we're going to keep it in that realm right now. So I want you to make sure that when you're thinking about a research topic that you stay under the big umbrella of animals. Now, like that can go any direction, right? I don't want you to go like outer space direction. There's not going to be any resources linked here to help you with outer space topics. So you have to stay under like the umbrella of animals. Now, does that mean that you can't research something like outer space or whatever topic that you decide? We're going to talk about how to define topics too, how to narrow them down. Outer space and animals are way too broad of topics to research, but that doesn't mean that you can't conduct your own research in other topic areas just because I'm doing animals right now. You can take what you learn throughout this unit and apply it to anything. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have fun. And here we go. Let's research.